Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. All right, so if you hadn't had a chance to check out the closing wrap-up over on Circle, please do so. And I'm going to put up some other links this morning. Check out the sign-up link for Circle here. That's where you get the pivots. That's where you get the charts. The charts with the blog that goes with the charts and this stuff. It's all in one spot, versus trying to chase it down in different places. Like and subscribe to the webcast as always. Like and subscribe. That'll make sure everything gets put into your inbox. Because some of these we do a little close to the open because I'm running around doing stuff. And if you want to make sure you're there, then get the notifications. Daily chart. So we pushed up past daily mid-band and the 100 yesterday. Tested the 50. The 50 held. Coming up again, the 50 is basically, the 50-day exponential is like 44.13. That's going to, where we close relative to that area is going to be important. If this turns into support, there's nothing else to do but to go back to where we were, September 18th, September 19th, and around that 4,500 area. If you don't think they can do another 70, 80, 90 handles, yeah, they sure can. Because, yes, we've had a few up days in a row, but we are nowhere near parabolic. We were down Friday morning. We were down Sunday night, and we flatten, pop, flatten, it's been very orderly. It has not just been let's run away for 300 handles and hide. We've all seen those tapes before. This is not that. It's not that. So you see the monthly pivot here on the front month, 44.01 quarter, hourly mid. The bands are getting tight again. The bulls want to win. Another one of these. Convert yesterday's highs, so 44.19, and see what the setup is. So they had PPI this morning, didn't do much with the tape. The reaction range was less than 15 handles. CPI is tomorrow morning, and that's going to be a thing. So we'll see how much that wants to move the tape. Then you've got bank earnings Friday morning before the bell, J.P. Morgan, Citibank, etc., Wells Fargo. We'll see what that does. What do the bears need to do? Well, first of all, stop letting them print stuff with 44s on the front of it. Get back below the hourly mid. You're going to have to get back below the daily mid here at basically 43.80 and keep this, the baseline assumption with regard which side of the fence you're on related to the daily mid band. If you're above it, buy dips tape. If you're below it, sell rallies tape. Yesterday was the first close above it in a while. You can see it here. We've been down below. So if dips continue to be bought, this is going to continue to be support. So what do you need to do, bears? Get back below here. Get down into the 9-day. Get down into the weekly pivot. You've done this to yourselves. You've done a good job in the past few months, basically all of 2023, of fighting these things off and bringing them in. Go ahead. As far as trading that type of price action is concerned, I would be very careful anticipatorily trading shorts. That has not worked. That has not worked this week at all. You can be long these rallies, you can stand aside. Don't fight them short. It's like begging you to just throw contracts at it, throw contracts at it, throw contracts at it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Let it come in. We were short 03 yesterday into the close a few different times after being in a really nice long. It just never paid. I mean, it paid us a little bit, but it never really got the type of extension to the downside that it needed to. So right now we're flat. It doesn't mean you can't short. You can, but you got to pick your spots, and you have to be self-aware enough, and you have to be flexible enough to understand when, look, this is not working. So I'm either going to get long here or I'm going to just go flat. But what I'm not going to do is add to losers and turn a very small trade into a trade that's totally overweighted in your account, is going to run your life, is going to keep you from going to sleep at night, is going to turn into some idiot swing trade. We've all done it. Don't do it. Just don't do it. Hourly mid's 43.96. Volume weighted average price is 99. Proprietary moving average 44.03. And you got the monthly there right at 44.01. So, we're still battling over the roundy at 4,400. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I'll do a closing wrap up tonight. Come check us out on Circle. Click the sign up link and come over. It's very straightforward. You will get all the content. You'll get all the free content, pivots, charts, webcasts. We're going to start doing some webinars over there, and then you can take a trial for the premium side, and come trade with us and get access to the subscriber webcast that comes out at night that goes into certain things in a heck of a lot more detail. All right, take care, trade them well. Talk to you tonight. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.